Roads and highways. From planning and design to construction and maintenance, it takes multiple teams across several disciplines to see a project through. And with so many teams working collaboratively, the journey isn't always smooth. Imagine if your roads and highway projects could be free from the chaos of siloed or lost data, disjointed workflows, and communication breakdowns. If the people you serve can trust that projects will be completed on time. Imagine seamless coordination across all disciplines, from feasibility studies to a fully operational asset. Imagine catching potential clashes early and avoiding costly rework, so that your project stays on time and within budget. With Digital Project Delivery, or DPD, this is possible. DPD is a cloud-based collaboration process for infrastructure projects that connects people, data, and workflows in a common data environment across the project lifecycle. It breaks down data silos and centralizes information, meaning that all stakeholders, from program managers and engineers to contractors and owners, are connected and informed throughout the entire project lifecycle. By using a common data environment, DPD allows for a complete corridor model that becomes the base from which each stakeholder builds and can see their plans and models, drawing from a connected library that includes existing conditions, features, and surfaces. General contractors can view and extract accurate models. Field teams can plan and execute from mobile devices. Changes from the field can be surfaced to every stakeholder, allowing engineers to quickly respond to RFIs, contractors to root cause issues, and owners to monitor project progress. And the benefits don't stop there. Imagine having comprehensive as-builts, complete with all the necessary data to support a digital twin, enabling historical data and proactive management of assets throughout their lifecycle. Digital Project Delivery is more than just a tool. It's transforming how roads and highways are designed, constructed, and maintained. Deliver the right data at the right time to the right people. Enable accurate insights for project decisions, and help businesses be future-ready and resilient. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you deliver road and highway projects? Get started today with Digital Project Delivery.